Have you ever wondered what it takes to build an $80,000 a month YouTube channel? What if I told you that you could replicate such success without showing your face, hiring expensive editors, or spending months grinding? Today, I'm breaking down exactly how I used AI to copy a wealthy, faceless YouTube channel and the surprising results that followed. Stick with me to uncover every secret step, and maybe you'll see that such a channel is more within reach than you think. So, why replicate an $80,000 per month channel? Because this is proof that success isn't limited to big studios or celebrity creators. Many lucrative YouTube channels are completely faceless and built using clever content strategies that any creator can learn. And now, AI can speed up the process exponentially. First, let's talk about research, the real backbone behind any high-earning YouTube channel. You can't just guess your way to $80,000 per month. You need to understand not only how these channels make money, but also how their entire business ecosystem works. Is it just ad revenue? Not even close. While ads do contribute a chunk, most successful channels diversify with affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products like ebooks or courses. Relying solely on YouTube's ad payouts is risky. Revenue can drop overnight with algorithm changes or CPM fluctuations. So, to replicate a top channel's success, you need to study more than just their content. You need to reverse engineer their monetization model. That's exactly what I did. I picked a real channel, one that gets tens of millions of views and has posted thousands of videos over the years. Using free tools like Social Blade, Nox Influencer, and Viduli, I dug into the data. I looked at their estimated earnings, audience demographics, posting schedule, and their most viewed topics. This step gave me clarity. What kinds of videos were driving views, who was watching them, and how that traffic translated into income streams beyond ads. Without this groundwork, you're just throwing darts in the dark. Now, how do you come up with video ideas that actually perform, like the pros do? It's not about luck or randomly chasing viral trends. It's a strategy rooted in consistency and data. The channel I studied focuses heavily on evergreen content, topics that stay relevant over time, not just for a week or two. Think how-to, explainers, or deep dive stories that get searched for repeatedly year-round. This ensures a steady flow of traffic long after the upload date, but they don't stop there. They use AI-powered keyword research tools like TubeBuddy, VidiQ, and even Google Trends to pinpoint high-volume, low-competition keywords. That means they're not trying to outrank massive creators on hot-button topics. They're finding gaps in the content landscape where demand is high but supply is low. This gives them a serious edge. It also ensures their content is searchable, discoverable, and watchable over the long haul. So instead of chasing short-lived spikes in views, they build a library of videos that quietly rack up clicks and revenue every single day. It's a game of long-term growth, not quick wins. And once you know how to find those golden topic opportunities, the rest gets a lot easier. Next comes the step that brings everything to life: scripting. And this is where AI becomes your secret weapon. Instead of spending hours or even days writing each script from scratch, I used custom prompts with an AI language model to generate detailed, engaging scripts that closely match the tone, pacing, and style of the original channel I was modeling. It's fast, efficient, and shockingly accurate if you know how to guide it. But here's a critical point. Don't just copy scripts blindly from other videos or rely on generic AI output. You need to analyze how top channels craft their scripts. Look at how they open each video. What kinds of hooks grab attention in the first 15 seconds? How do they build suspense, use pacing, and transition between sections? Do they use second-person narration, humor, analogies? By identifying these patterns and teaching the AI those specific nuances, I was able to create scripts that feel natural, conversational, and story-driven, not robotic or flat. The result: a script that keeps viewers hooked from start to finish, optimized for voiceover and retention. This step is where most people settle for average, but if you dial it in, it gives your content a major edge. Ever wondered how these channels manage to produce such flawless voiceovers without ever hiring a professional narrator? That's where AI voice technology steps in. Instead of paying voice actors or recording your own audio, I used advanced text-to-speech AI tools that generate voiceovers with surprisingly human-like tone, pacing, and emotion. These tools can emphasize keywords, add pauses where needed, and even convey enthusiasm or suspense, just like a seasoned narrator would. Another bonus, flexibility. You can choose from a range of voices, male or female, serious or casual, depending on your niche and target audience. Whether you're creating a documentary-style script or a high-energy explainer, there's an AI voice that fits the mood. And perhaps most importantly, consistency. Every voiceover sounds clean, polished, and professional without the hassle of retakes, recording equipment, or soundproofing. That means you can scale content faster and keep your production quality high, video after video. AI voiceovers aren't just a shortcut, they're a game changer. Next comes video production, and here's where things really speed up. Traditionally, creating high-quality videos meant hours of filming, editing, and juggling timelines. But now, AI video editing platforms handle most of the heavy lifting. Tools like Pictory, Synthesia, or InVideo allow you to upload your script and voiceover, then automatically match them with relevant stock footage, animations, and images. No need for a camera, crew, or editing suite. The AI does the scene timing, visual transitions, and even adds subtitles or background music if you want. You may wonder, if AI is doing most of the heavy lifting, what's left for the actual creator? The answer: quality control and creative direction. AI can generate scripts, voiceovers, and even edit videos, but it's your judgment that ensures everything feels authentic, compelling, and on brand. You're the one reviewing scripts for tone, verifying facts, adjusting pacing, and adding that final polish that makes content resonate with real people. Now let's talk optimization, where a lot of channels make or break their success. This $80,000 per month channel leverages AI not just for content creation, but also for visibility. They use AI-assisted design tools like Canva or Photoshop's generative features to create clickable thumbnails, and they don't stop there. These thumbnails get split-tested to find the most effective combinations of colors, facial expressions, text, and layout. Titles and descriptions, they're crafted with SEO in mind, often with help from tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to find keywords that people are actually searching for. One powerful insight I took from this process: consistency is everything. This channel uploads on a tight, regular schedule, sometimes even multiple times a day. Why? Because the YouTube algorithm loves consistency. Frequent uploads keep the channel active in the algorithm's eyes and give loyal viewers a reason to keep coming back. But here's what really stood out. Despite the high output, quality didn't drop. How? Through smart use of AI and automation. Script writing, voiceovers, editing, and even thumbnail creation are streamlined using AI tools. That means more videos, faster production, and consistent quality. All without a huge team or massive budget. So, is this strategy foolproof? Not quite. Even the channel I studied didn't find success overnight. It took years of testing, refining scripts, adjusting thumbnails, and improving their AI prompts. The key wasn't luck, it was persistence and iteration. And more importantly, could you see yourself running a faceless, AI-powered channel that quietly brings in thousands every month on autopilot? Even with all this automation, YouTube still rewards emotion. Watch time, engagement, comments. That happens when content feels human, not robotic. So don't lose your voice in the process. Inject your perspective, your humor, your little quirks. That's what makes the algorithm take notice, and the audience stick around. Copying a top YouTube channel with AI isn't just theory. It's a practical, proven system. From researching winning topics and generating scripts to creating voiceovers and editing videos, AI tools streamline the entire process. You don't need a big team or fancy equipment, just the right tools and a clear strategy. This approach levels the playing field, allowing solo creators to compete with massive channels and even earn tens of thousands per month. If your goal is to build a faceless YouTube brand and generate real income, the opportunity is wide open. With consistency, smart use of AI, and a bit of creativity, you can absolutely create the next $80,000 a month channel. Or more. Remember, patience and persistence are your best allies. Use AI wisely as your partner, not a shortcut to skip the essential work. The journey of building a successful channel is as valuable as the destination. Thanks for watching the full breakdown. If you found this useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into AI and YouTube growth hacks.